Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing how you can fix Shopify Payments account is on hold. Now probably this is going to be a very hard thing for you if all the payments you receive through your Shopify are on hold and you want to use that money now to pay the suppliers or to pay for the products you are selling on your Shopify store. Now that's exactly why I created this video. I want to help you guys fix this problem exactly, and I'm going to tell you exactly why this happens and also how you can fix this. Okay, now click on login, just log in into your own Shopify store. Now the reasons why this happens, okay, why your Shopify payments are on hold is because of chargebacks. Okay, probably you are selling a high risk product and people, they keep opening disputes against you. Okay, so for example, it like 3 disputes. If you have sold for example 10 products and 3 people have opened the dispute against you, like through Shopify, then it's going to be a problem. Okay, and your Shopify is going to start holding your money inside Shopify until the product has been arrived, like until the product arrives in the destination of the customer. Now I'm going to show you exactly guys how you can fix this. Now as you can see, if the pause is due to high risk activity or chargeback, take measures to reduce chargebacks and improve the security of your stores. So if you are starting to receive chargebacks, a lot of chargebacks, make sure to check the products if it has a problem, like check if the supplier that is sending the check if the supplier that is sending the products is sending the correct products and high quality products, so that you can stop like getting these this message which is holding your money. Now check the email and you will see the reason there. Okay, go to your email that is associated with your Shopify account and you will be able to see the reason why your money is stopped. Okay, it's not available. Now here is a solution that will actually help you, which is to search for contacts. Okay, contact Shopify Support. Alright, now after you click guys on open on your new tab and search for contact Shopify Support, and then here as you can see what it says here, ask assistant anything here. Okay, what you need to do guys, just need to tell them I want to talk to someone. Okay, so and you will take you directly to someone that you can actually talk to, a real human that will help you and check your Shopify store for you. Okay, you will go and check all your Shopify store and you will tell you guys exactly what is happening. Okay, like I said, this is going to be caused by multiple reasons, so you really have to contact them and see exactly what is happening. Okay, I'm here to connect you to the support advisor. First, let me know what your issue, for example payments. Just tell them, after they tell you what issue you have, tell them payments hold, and then you will be able to connect you with someone. Okay, so just give it a few seconds. As you can see, it seems like you are looking for information of payment holds. Can you specify what you need help with? Style, do you want to? Yes. Okay, and then you will take you directly to someone to talk to. Okay, just give it a few seconds and as you can share any screenshots you have, you are in line to chat with a support advisor. So as you can see, it's waiting for support advisor. Give it a few seconds, and if you have any screenshots or anything of your Shopify payments or like holding your money, just take a screenshot and send it here so that they can help you. Okay, so give it a few seconds. As it says here, wait 5 minutes. Now just wait 5 minutes and you will be able to talk to someone. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that will be highly appreciated. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.